Foam rolling the hamstring. So for this movement, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put one leg over the top of the foam roller. You're going to put your hands behind you and you're going to lift yourself up. Now with every other foam roller activity, you got to stay completely relaxed. This one's different. You're going to lock out the quad and you're going to keep that leg nice and straight so you don't have any extra weight on the ground. You want to apply as much body weight pressure onto the hamstring as you can. So from there, you're going to take your other leg, you're going to cross it over the top, lift yourself up, and then you're going to go hunting for tender spots. So we're going to roll outside, we're going to roll inside, and we're going to try and find any area that feels like it might need some attention. Once you find a spot that feels uncomfortable, you're going to take deep breaths. Be very intentional to try and relax the hamstring, not the quad, but the hamstring. So you're trying to get that area to release, breathe, relax. Once you feel like it's gotten a good release, then we can go ahead and roll up a little bit more, roll outside, roll inside, until you feel like you've gotten everything out. So you're going to repeat that process from the knee all the way up into where the hamstring and the glute attach.